Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your headlamp switch on a Hyundai Accent. So first thing you take off the airbag, which I already loosened up by taking that out, one on this side and another one right there. This is like an Allen key, but this is what I use. This is what I use to get down there. Get it to focus. Yeah, that's what I use to get down in it. Or you can use an Allen key to get down in it. Alright. And after you take those loose, you just come and lift this backwards. Alright. And you can go ahead and disconnect the battery if you want. I did not disconnect the battery, but it's safer to disconnect the battery. Alright. And also you want to squeeze right here to take out the horn. That's the horn wire. And you want to take this off too to get these loosen up like that. Alright, and then I'm going to take these out right now. Those for the second stage and first stage airbag. Alright, so I'm going to clip that up like that and like that. So I'm sorry, I don't know if that cat get caught on the camera, but I just looked down and I saw that I wasn't holding it on it. But yeah, that's how you take it off. And if you just changing the airbag alone, you just go ahead and skip to the end part of the video, and when I'm putting it back in, so you can do that part. Alright. And guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Help me help you. Help me grow my channel. Alright. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is remove the bolt that holds, the nut that holds the steering. It's going to be 21 millimeter. Take it off. Mine fell down there, but it's easy to get it out. Alright, I just wanna use my one hand, so bear with me with the shakiness, but you just wanna rock it like this. Rock the steering on the other side with both hands and pull on it while rocking it, and it will come off like that. Alright. And now this is the clock spring. You wanna make sure you lock this so don't try to get this turned, don't play around with it, don't turn it all the way around, because that will let your airbag light stay on. Alright, so just keep it like this, try to keep it in that position. If you want, you can tape it where it's locked and don't move. Alright, so now I'm going to take off this part right here, not the top, but I'm going to take off 1, 2, and number 3. Down here. Also, I'll pull it down. Alright, so I'm going to take this off. That's the one right there. I'm going to take the key out so it can stop making a noise. That's the second one right there. And number 3. Number 3 will be right here. Alright. Now it's to separate this. You can push on it really hard, or you can get a flathead screwdriver and try to go between here. Alright, so I'm gonna get a flathead screwdriver. And just bear with me, I'm using my one hand working on this. And guys, it's easy. If I can use my one hand and do it, you can use your two hand and do it. Like that, alright? Do it on the same side. Pry that up. You can leave that up there. You don't have to take that down. And also bring this. You're going to be locking on the key. So you want to bring it out a little bit. Bring it down like that. Alright. This one, you can leave it like that, or you can take the whole top part off, which I'm just gonna leave it like that. It's not bothering me. Alright, now it's the time where you want to take off your your clock spring. Alright, so now it's you want to squeeze this down like this, and you can see as I push back on it, it come down. So that's what you do. Take that off, and this one right here, you want to squeeze this and pull that out too. Alright, and so what you want to do up here, you want to pull this up like that. And also pull this down like that, and it's the same thing on this side. Pull that down and take it out like that. Oh, and I have one more plug remaining. Just gonna take that out. And that one you just pull out on it. So what you do here, don't ever turn that. Don't let it spin right around. Try to keep it in one position at all time, alright? So what I do here is squeeze this down right here, and squeeze this down right here, and also I squeeze this, I pull this up like that, and it come off like that, alright? So I'm gonna let it sit right here, unbuttered. Don't want nothing messing with it. So now here's the point where you want to push and squeeze this right here. Pull that down. Same thing right here. Pull that down. And now you want to take 1 and 2. Number 2 down there. Phillips screwdriver. That one out. Take that one out, and then this should come up. Alright, so I clipped in a little bit. After I remove 1, 2, it's still locked in. So what you want to do is hold it firm and rack it and pull on it, because these 2 clip at the edge right here are gonna hold it. So you just rack it tight and pull on it. Alright, and that's it, guys. That's how you do that. Now what you want to do is take off the wiper switch. Alright, and then after you take the wiper switch off, you put it on the new one, and then you install the new one. Alright, so take off the wiper switch. Right, and what you need to do is right here, push something here, and take that part up, and it'll come out like that. Alright, so you want to push down on this while prying up on this. Alright, so you push down on this part and pry up on this part. Alright, just want to get the new one and slide it in. It can only go in one way, so You don't have to worry about setting it wrong. Alright, locked into place like that, and that's it, guys. Now it's time to put it back up. Alright, so now what you want to do is put this back over like this. Make sure the hole for the screws line up. And one screw go at the bottom right here, and another one go at the top. One right here and one right there. Alright. Alright, so tighten that one. Tighten that one too. Alright, so now both of lock in place. So now you want to go ahead and put this in. And now you want to put this one in too. And you want to get the clock spring, clip that into place, and make sure to keep it steady. Do not turn that for nothing. And you want to plug on your airbag computer. Not your airbag computer. You want to plug it on your clock spring. Alright. Plug both in. Plug this one in first. Alright, and then you plug this one in. Alright. Alright. After you plug everything in, you want to double check to make sure everything is plugged in nice and tight. Nothing will come loose. And at this point you can go put on your steering, or if you want you can put this on the lower column cover for the steering. Alright. Alright, so I'll go ahead and tighten these up. And tighten number 3 up right here. Alright, now it's time to get your steering and put on your steering. Alright, so first thing first, you want to run the wires through there first. Alright, make sure all the wires come through and no bent. And I hope I should have mentioned it earlier in the video. Try to mark the steering with a marker or something. Just mark it so you can put it on exactly where you take it off. But I've done so much of these that I know what I'm doing, so I don't really need to mark it. Yeah, that's it. Alright, so you want to come right here and you're going to tighten your, go ahead and tighten your steering to the steering shaft, and it's going to be 21 millimeter. Alright, and this is the screw that holds the airbag to the steering. This is the same screw you saw I was taking out from here, as you can see. Alright, and it's a T40 torque. Alright. Alright, so now it's time to install your airbag. So just blue with blue and yellow with yellow. Alright, so I have them in blue with blue and yellow with yellow. Go ahead and squeeze this down, and you want to lock back this, lock back the wires in here. And forgive me for the shakiness. And put it back in there. And now you want to go ahead and tighten, keep those screws in there. Alright, One right there. Second one right there. And that's it. And let's crank the car up. Check it. What you want to do now is check the signal. And turn the headlamp on. So you can turn the headlamp on. Okay, that indicator show that it's working. High beam. High beam indicator is also there. And text signal left, it's working. Right, it's working. And that's it, guys. That's how you complete your. That's how you change your headlamp switch on a Hyundai Accent. And I believe I changed a Hyundai Elantra, and it's the same thing, just like that. All right. And guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Alright, see you next time.